A web browser is an application that's used to access files through the internet. The word web is short for World Wide Web, which refers to the naming and linking of digital content stored on the internet. Some commonly used web browsers include Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Google Chrome. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use a web browser to perform some basic internet searches and browse the web. We'll use Google Chrome, but other web browsers function in similar ways. Let's start by opening Chrome. Notice that the browser opens to the default Google Startup page. This page includes a Google search box and links to frequently accessed websites. At the top of the window is the address bar. This is where you can type the address for the website you want to visit. Another name for a web address is URL, or Uniform Resource Locator. In this example, let's visit the Test Out Company website. We'll move our mouse to the address bar, click inside to begin typing, type testout.com, and then press Enter. On the Test Out homepage, notice that if you hover your cursor over certain words or images, the white arrow turns into a pointed finger. This lets you know that there's a hyperlink to another web page or to more information. Sometimes hovering over a hyperlink opens a drop-down menu. If you've navigated to the wrong web page, you can always click on this left arrow called the back button to return to the previous page. From here, you can use the forward button to return to the Test Out website. Now, what if you'd like to see a list of all the web pages you've previously visited? To do this in Chrome, you can click and hold down the back button. Then select Show Full History. To return to one of these previously visited sites, simply click on one of the links. If you share your computer with someone else and don't want Chrome to track your browsing activity, you can open a window in incognito mode. This is also called private browsing. Be aware that private browsing will only prevent the web browser from tracking your activity. If you're using a computer at school or work, your browsing will still be visible to network administrators. Private browsing is particularly useful for logging into websites on someone else's computer. You can access your email or social media without logging out the owner, and the computer won't remember your login information. To change the Chrome startup options and other settings, click the Chrome menu in the upper right-hand corner of the browser and select Settings. As we noted, Chrome is currently set to use the new tab page on startup, but we could change this to open a different web page. We could also change the address of the home page, which is currently set as testout.com. The home page is accessed by clicking the Home button next to the address bar. Some web pages allow you to download a file. The file link may let you specify where to save the file, or it might download automatically to a default location, such as the Downloads folder in Windows. In Chrome, you can view all of your current downloads by clicking Show All in the lower right-hand corner of the browser, or you can click the Chrome menu and select Downloads. Now let's go back to Google's search engine and perform an internet search. After clicking inside the address bar again, we'll type google.com and then press Enter. Search engines are tools that gather relevant websites from around the internet and show them to you in a list. Every search engine has a text entry box like this one, where you can type the information you're looking for. Suppose we want to find the Test Out course catalog page, but we can't remember the web address. In this case, a search engine can help us find what we're looking for. After clicking inside the text entry box, we'll type Test Out Catalog and press Enter to see the search engine results. Let's click the hyperlink to go to the web page. You can also perform web searches directly from the address bar at the top of the web browser. Let's do the same search we performed previously. We'll type the search terms Test Out Catalog here in the address bar and press Enter. Since we typed words without an extension like .com or .org, the web browser assumes we're entering search terms rather than a URL. The search results are identical to our previous search, since Chrome uses Google as the default search engine. If we were using the Microsoft Edge browser, the search results would be sent from Bing, which is the default Microsoft search engine. Now suppose we want to find the Test Out website more quickly in the future. To do this, we can add a bookmark. First, we'll go to the upper right-hand corner of the web browser and click this star symbol. We'll add the bookmark to the Bookmarks bar and click Done. To return to the bookmarked page, we can click the Chrome menu and select Bookmarks. If we open a new tab in the browser, we can see the bookmark conveniently below the address bar. In this video, we learned how to use a web browser to navigate to web pages on the Internet and how to use a search engine. We also learned how to view our browsing history, use private browsing, modify basic settings, download files, and add bookmarks, which store links to different websites.